Chia seeds are one of my favorite ingredients for PCOS. This is a powerful superfood. Don't be fooled by its little size. It's full of omega-3 fats, protein. It's great for our digestion and our metabolism. It can instantly boost your metabolism. Chia seeds have lots of fiber in it. When we combined it with this coconut milk, it's gonna swell up and it's gonna help you stay fuller longer and also keep your blood sugar balanced throughout the day, which is key when it comes to breakfast. Breakfast, we are setting ourselves up for blood sugar control for the rest of the day. So these chia seeds, favorite PCOS superfood. We're gonna make some delicious chia seed pudding. Now I've made this before and without the fun ingredients, it gets kind of bland. So that's why we're gonna put some great ingredients in here. So I'll start by adding the chia seeds to the coconut milk. Coconut milk actually doesn't have that much calcium, but chia seeds have more calcium than regular milk. So that's why it's a wonderful addition to dairy-free milk. I'm also gonna add flaxseed meal to this. This is just bumping up the fiber content, bumping up the healthy fats, the protein. Also a great superfood. Now I'm also gonna add vanilla. Get that flavor going. And of course, protein powder. I'm using cocoa protein powder. This one, of course, does not have any artificial sweeteners. I think I mentioned this before, how artificial sweeteners can pump up our insulin levels. And so we really want to make sure we're avoiding that when we buy protein powder and make sure that it doesn't have any sweeteners, artificial sweeteners in there. So it's a hemp-based protein powder and it has cocoa in it. I'm gonna dump it into this measuring cup just so it's easier to pour. Now it's ready. I'm just gonna pour it in this cup. And I'm pouring 2 because it's gonna chill in the refrigerator and we're gonna eat it twice for breakfast this week. Then I'll just top it with some raspberries. Chia seeds also have more antioxidants than berries. We're boosting it. And some mint. Mint, great for lowering testosterone. And then I'm adding chopped hazelnuts, just adding some extra bulk, some fat to keep you full. And before we finish, I'm gonna add lime zest to the top. Just add an extra zing to your breakfast. You can also mix it into the chia seed pudding, whichever you prefer. There we have it, breakfast is served.